Hello and welcome to our presentation. My name is MUHAMAD Nasrul and my partner name is HARIREE. So, we will complete the assignment given through this video. Let's begin with question 1, which involve confidence intervals and hypothesis testing for the population standard deviation and mean. The question 1, Roman 1, determine the distribution. We are given a sample of size 30 from a normal distribution with unknown variance. We are asked to find the distribution of the statistic. Since the sample is from normal distribution, this statistic follow a chi-square distribution with n-1 equal 29 degrees of freedom. We move to Roman 2. Next, we construct a 95% confidence interval for the population standard deviation, given that the sample standard deviation equal 3.2. So, we use all this formula and we substitute the values. So, we are 95% confident that the population standard deviation lies between 2.485 and 4.3018. Now, let's move to part B, Roman 1. We are comparing average transportation expense between two cities, A and B. City A has 24 people with a mean of 150 ringgit and standard deviation of 20 ringgit 50 cents. City B has 28 people, standard deviation of 18 ringgit and 30 cents, but the mean is unknown. We are given a 90% confidence interval for the difference in means for 0.127 and 23.873. Using the confidence interval formula and solving backward, we find the mean of City B to be approximately 135 ringgit and 60 cents. So we move to Roman 2. The question is, based on the confidence intervals in Roman 1, can you conclude that the average monthly transportation expense are the same between City X and City Y? Justify your answer. So my answer is, since the value 0 is not included in the interval 4.127 and 23.873, we conclude that there is a significant difference between the average expense in City A and City B. Next, I pass to the HARIREE for the explanation of question 2 and 3.
Question 2A. Construct a 1 minus alpha 100% confidence interval for the ratio of the variance for the number of calls for center A and B. So first we need to use the formula f1 minus alpha over 2 and 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to f alpha over 2 and 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1 minus alpha. After that, we need to substitute the f with the formula variance of sample 1 times variance of population 2 over variance of sample 2 times variance of population 1. After that, we need to make sure that the variance of population is variance of population 1 over variance of population 2. So we need to rearrange the formula and we will get this. After that, we need to make sure that only the variance of population stay in the middle. So we need to times both sides with variance of sample, which is we will get both sides times with variance of sample 1 over variance of sample 2. After that, we need to rearrange the formula again for the f1 minus alpha over 2 and minus 1 and 2 minus 1, because in the table of f distribution we don't have the value for the 1 minus alpha over 2. So we need to rearrange it for it to get f alpha over 2 and 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. So after that, we will get the answer. So for B, find a 90% confidence interval for the ratio of the variance. So we already construct the formula in the previous question. We just need to substitute the value in this question. After we substitute it, we will get 1.9494 times 1.1 over 3.73 less than or equal to variance of population 1 over variance of population 2 less than or equal to 1.9494 times 5.37. After that, we will get the final answer, which is 0.5226 less than or equal to variance of population 1 over variance of population 2 less than or equal to 10.4683. For C, Based on the interval obtained in B, can we conclude that the variance of number of calls for both center are equal? Explain. Yes, we can conclude that the variance of number for call both center are equal because there is one in the interval. For question 3, A. Calculate the point estimate for average and standard deviation of bottle drink volume. So first, we need to find the x bar, which is using the formula sum of x1 over n. We will get the sum of x1 equal to 473.7 and n equal to 15. And then we will get the answer 31.58. Then we need to find the standard deviation, which is we will use the variance formula, which is sum of xi squared minus sum of xi squared over n minus 1. And then we will get 0.7003. But since it one standard deviation, we need to square root the answer, which we will get 0.8368. For B, find the 99 confidence interval for the average volume of bottled drink. Assume that the population is normally distributed. Since it says assume that the population is normally distributed, we just need to insert the formula. We just need to insert the value using the formula x bar minus t alpha over 2 times s over square root n less than or equal to t less than or equal to x bar plus t alpha over 2 times s over square root n. Since we already got all the value, we just need to substitute it, and for the t alpha over 2, we just need to refer to the t distribution table, and then we insert all the value. We will get the answer, which is 30.9368 and 32.2232.